Assalamu alaikum. Me and my friend with name is Javed Seb and Javed Khan. This is I am going this taper cutting. My Javed and me and my friend Javed Khan cutting in this taper. For I am going to my home and my colleague
and
cooking this taper cooking kitchen ki and cooking first I am going the puli mungi kamera wani way and this area are desert
it is fresh paper.
it is fresh taper Shabasi. This is fresh taper and both and sweets cook are very khwagi like so nice and me aage like zamakhim and my pasi bake my bake is going to my friend Javed Khan, teacher of Javed Khan, and me be teacher yani zam teacher yam. I am teacher. My name is Etizaz
and
and my makhamakh